Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yulianti. I will be presenting the result of my internship report. Introduction. Background. According to the vocational high school curriculum, SMK graduates are expected to be able to become students who are ready to work in the industrial work. To reach this, students required to participate in fieldwork practice and be able to prepare report. Fieldwork practice. Fieldwork practice is one form of education and training for students that combines education in schools with the industrial world in direct work practice. The main goal of vocational education is creating graduates who are ready to work independently. Objective of PKL: providing students with direct experience of the world of work is the main objective of this PKL activity. However, there are other objectives of holding fieldwork practice for SMK students, including provide direct work experience to students in order to instill a positive work climate that is oriented toward caring about the quality of work process and results. Provide opportunities for students to build and develop their character-based personalities in accordance with the positive values that grow and are needed by society. Especially in the work of work, they are engaged in instilling a high work ethic for students to enter the work of work according to the demands of the global job market. Fulfilling things that have not been fulfilled in school in order to achieve the integrity of credit competitive standards. Actualizing one form of activity in the implementation of fieldwork practice between SMK and partner institutions with systematical combines educational programs at school and training programs for mastering skill in the work of work. Benefit of field work practice of students. Opportunity to practice and directly apply theories, concepts, or principles that have been learned in class. Provide practical experience to students so they can expect their results. Provide students with the opportunity to solve various management problems in the work environment by relying on their abilities. To provide students with professional skills when they enter the world of work. Aiding student networking, which will be very useful when they work for students who want to start their own business. Benefits of fieldwork practice for school. Increasing mutually beneficial conversion between school and companies of agencies where students carry out their internships. Improve the quality of graduates' work experience during PKL. Developing school programs through synchronizing the curriculum, learning process, testing factor, and developing practical facilities and infrastructure. Based on the result of observation at the PKL location. Strengthening students' character education, especially community-based character values that grow from industrial culture. General description of the PKL pledge. Company profile. BRI Bank KCP Mangkat is one of the branches located at JL Nusantara No. 7 RT4 RW 7 Pamangkat City. Pamangkat District Sambas Regency West Kalimantan 79462. led by Mr. Muhammad Zulfajri, dari Bank Rakyat Indonesia, Office is Sambas Regency Wis Kalimantan. Serving the opening of BRI Internet Banking or BRI Internet Banking, BRI Mobile Banking Activation, BRI Internet Banking Registration, BRI SMS Banking, and M-Banking Other Service also include BRI Bank Credit and Saving and Loans at BRI Bank Working Hours Operational. Saturday close, Sunday close. Vision and mission of BRI Bank KCP Pangkal. Vision: to become a leading commercial bank that always prioritizes customer satisfaction. Mission: carrying out the best banking activities by prioritizing service to micro, small, and medium enterprise to support the improvement of the company economy. Main business activity fields. BRI is a financial institution which is a bank owned by the Indonesian government. Its main activities are collecting funds from the public, distributing funds back to the public, and providing other products and services. Students' duties and responsibilities during PKL. We have work 15 minutes before work hours. We have honestly, politely, and responsibly. Wear an ID card identification, badge, and work clothes according to company regulation. Give the permission of the supervisor if he is unable to attend or will leave the workplace. Comply with the regulation in using the tools and materials used in the work. Report immediately to the supervisor if there is damage to the tools materials used for work. Cleaning the workplace neatly and properly before leaving the place. Fill out a daily work journal. Must carry out PKL until completion of 6 months. Maintain the good name of the school. Field of work. Help customer carry out transaction, opening an account via the BRIMO application. Help customer unblocking in banking complaint customer files by that. Stamp the PIP passbook assisting customer at the ATM machine. Have security guard fill out AR from PIP assistant. Stamping the saving book PIP, warping the files, and angling them in the Beriman box. Conclusion from the overall implementation of PKL. After 6 months of doing this field work practice activity, we have learned a lot, gained experience, knowledge, and new knowledge that was never taught in school because actually in school we only learn theory. But when doing fieldwork practice, we do it direct style and at the same time practice. This activity is very useful for developing skill and knowledge. Fieldwork practice is like a complement in school because we can be ready when we enter the world of work. Suggestion for improving the implementation of PKL in the future. When doing field work practice, it will definitely be taught directly by the supervisor at the company. Therefore, we always prepare ourselves and always listen to the materials studied and finally practice in this fieldwork practice. For juniors who will carry out fieldwork practice, keep the good name of the school because in the good name of the school becomes bad. It will be difficult to cooperate with any company in accepting students for fieldwork practice. That's all the presentation from me. If there are any mistakes, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.